Thinking about buying a DIY electric bike conversion kit, but not sure which one to pick? The market is packed with options. Some offer high speed and powerful motors, others focus on budget-friendly setups, while a few come loaded with advanced features like LCD displays, waterproof design, and smart controllers. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed real customer reviews, performance, and value to bring you the top 5 best DIY electric bike conversion kits, perfect for anyone who wants to turn a regular bicycle into a powerful electric ride. Don't skip ahead. Watch till the end to discover which kit gives you the best performance, durability, and value for your money. Let's get started. Item number 5. The DIY electric bike conversion kit features a 250W brushless motor with a controller designed to turn a regular bicycle into an efficient e-bike. It uses a friction drive system and supports easy installation and removal, making it ideal for beginners. This waterproof kit works only with standard bicycles and is not suitable for tricycles or special vehicles. It does not support fat tires, tubeless, or solid tires, and should not be used on bikes smaller than 16 inches. Proper tire condition is important for best performance. Item number 4. The 80cc bicycle engine kit is a powerful 2-stroke conversion system designed for 26 to 28-inch bikes. It delivers strong performance with 2.1 kilowatt power at 5,000 RPM, turning a regular bicycle into a high-speed, long-distance ride. The kit includes a durable drive sprocket, chain, and air-cooled engine with CDI ignition. Installation requires basic tools and takes around 2 to 4 hours. It features a 2.5-liter fuel tank and works best with proper fuel mixing, offering efficient mileage for daily commuting or outdoor adventures. Item number 3. This 1,000-watt electric bike hub motor delivers powerful performance with a 48V system, reaching speeds up to 55 kilometers an hour for fast and efficient riding. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it remains lightweight while handling distinctive terrains. With an IP65 rainproof rating, it performs reliably in all weather conditions. Designed for easy installation, it fits 20, 24, and 26-inch bikes with a compatible rear axle size. This motor is ideal for upgrading your bicycle into a high-speed electric ride. Item number 2. This 48V 2,000-watt brushless DC motor kit delivers high-speed performance up to 4,300 RPM, making it ideal for powerful DIY electric builds. Featuring a durable aluminum body, full copper coil, and air cooling system, it ensures efficiency, low noise, and heat resistance. The kit includes a 33A15 MOSFET controller with multiple speed modes, reverse function, and safety features. An LCD throttle with power display adds convenience. Perfect for electric bikes, scooters, and go-karts, it offers reliable power and smooth control. Item number 1. This 24-volt, 350-watt brushed electric motor kit offers reliable performance with a high-speed output of 3,000 RPM and strong torque for various terrains. Built with a durable aluminum casing and copper windings, it ensures efficient heat dissipation and long-term use. The included controller provides smooth speed control with safety protections, while the twist throttle features a voltage display and ignition key. Ideal for electric bikes, scooters, and DIY projects, this kit delivers stable power and efficient operation.